Hey, I know it's been a long time since I've done a makeup video, tutorial, anything makeup related, but today I'm going to be showing you all how I clean my makeup brushes. And actually, this is my first time using this method. I just purchased this little makeup brush cleaner from Forever 21 and it was actually half off, so it was only like $2.50, I believe. But yeah, I really love the results, and I was able to clean my beauty sponge with it too, and it worked really well. Like, I was actually shocked. But I'm not gonna really talk a lot throughout this video. I'm just gonna probably play some music and just let y'all watch and pay attention, because I mean, it's pretty much self-explanatory, and yeah, you can just watch. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. Oh, I wanted to come back and say one thing. So at the top, you see it's like a smaller, I guess you would call them bristles. I really don't know what to call it, but you see, like, it's the gaps are more compact. They're not really wide like the remaining of the cleaner, the brush cleaner. So I feel like that really gets really deep into the brush. And here I'm going to use a knife to scrub off that extra eyebrow product. I'm sorry, I'm not starting over with this voiceover, because y'all know you can be recording voiceovers over and over. But yeah, I'm just using a knife to get that residue off, because it was very hard. So yeah, but the little small section, it really gets into the brush. That's all I wanted to say. But yeah, enjoy the rest of the video.